Maui, Kauai, and the Big Island with 12 convenient locations. Coors Light, the silver bullet. It's the right beer now. And Robert's Overnighters, offering Air Room car packages from $99.50 per person. More choices, more fun.
And welcome to Hot Hawaiian Nights. Melina! Oh, this is nice. All my favorite people. Melina, welcome to these open arms of mine. And let me fill you with such love divine. Velina, 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 welcome to these islands in the sun. Life in paradise has just begun. Velina, I know I but I can hear the sound of a distant conch shell. So let the Pahu drums ring, how you are exciting. Nearer than this heart of mine can tell. Velina, you and you alone can make it be. So come and take your place here next to me. Velina, I know Velina, Velina. Just an informal way of saying welcome. And that's exactly what we want you to feel tonight as you join us on Hot Hawaiian Nights. So I share my music, my love, my dances, most of all, aloha. Velina, feel so welcome tonight, you watching us there. Well, I can hear the sound of a distant conch shell. So let the Pahu drums ring, how you are oh so near. Nearer than this heart of mine can tell. Velina, you and you alone can make it be. So come and take your place here next to me. Velina, I know Velina. Velina, I know Velina.
Think of all this as a large block of ice. Think of this as a chip off the old block. Coors Light's aged ice cold. So when you think of ice, think of the silver bullet. The only way to chill.
Get away on Hawaii's original overnighter, a Robert's Overnighter from only $99.50 per person for air, room, and car. Family packages and group rates also available. Fly Aloha, drive a rental car, Maui, Oahu, Kauai, the Big Island from just $99.50. Pick a day, pick an island.
Pick the best. Robert's Overnighter. We know you're tired of late-night talk shows, have we got news for you. First, real danger, real rescues, real heroes. Experience the life-and-death drama of Code 3. Then,
Homie, don't play that.
get more laughs out of late night.
Don't hate me because I'm beautiful.
And catch up on the first 4 years of In Living Color.
Fuck, are you out of your fucking mind?
The classic episodes are back.
Clutch the pearls. What a sneaky thing to do.
Tonight, starting at 10 on Fox 13.
Surrounded by all my favorite people. I pay them all $10 each to sit here tonight and listen to my show. I want to thank HHN for granting me this opportunity to come into your rooms this evening. And you know what? I would like to ask my very talented niece to join me in this next number. The moon plays a very important role for our Hawaiian people. It helped us in our culture. It helped us with our feeding our families, with fishing. But the moon also connects two people with a deep love for each other. And this song I dedicate to my sister, Alicia Smith, Halau na Maulipua, and her daughter, Pi'ilani Vaine Smith. Come and join me, babe. Mahelani, Mahelani, I trained her so well. I'm so glad she takes after her auntie, Skinny. Okay. You know, we We grew up listening to Hawaiian music on Hawaiian radio, and if you remember the days of Lucky Luck and his wonderful Hawaiian messages that he taught us, we were all raised with. But you know, as soon as Mama would leave the room, we'd change the station. Cape Boy, Poi Boys, listening to rock and roll. And she would catch us listening to that kind of music, and she would tell us, see if you can make a living playing that kind of music here in the islands. And boy, was she right. Here I am, back to the roots, singing Hawaiian songs, and I love it, and I really appreciate it. But you know what? I'm going to sneak one in anyway.
Don't even try it if you can't come through. You say you want chicken? Well, that's what we do.
Okay, class, this is a drumstick, and this is a thigh. Multiply them both by 6, and what's that equal? 12 pieces of original recipe drums and thighs for just $8.99 at KFC Hawaii now.
We are KFC. We do chicken right.
It's time to wrap it up early. To make sure Auntie Clarice in Cleveland gets her clock. And Uncle Jimmy in Japan gets his short. On time. And here at home, you can't go wrong with Ala Moana gift certificates. Because you know they'll get exactly what they want.
the best.
Robert's Overnighter.
Get away on Hawaii's original overnighter, a Roberts Overnighter from only $99.50 per person for air, room, and car. Family packages and group rates also available. Fly Aloha, drive a rental car, Maui, Oahu, Kauai, the Big Island from just $99.50. Pick a day, pick an island.
Pick the best.
Robert's Overnighter. We know the way best. We know the way best.
Tonight, get ready for a high-adventure doubleheader on Fox. First, when Briscoe and Bowler take on the first motorcycle gang in history.
You sure you know how to drive this thing?
How hard could it be? They're going to kick some biker butt. An all-new Briscoe County Jr. Then, an alien life form crashes to Earth.
I suggest you forget what you think you saw.
We both know what's out there.
It has no shape, no form, and only one deadly purpose. The X-Files, an all-new episode following Briscoe County Jr. tonight.
Well, we're back here at Hot Hawaiian Nights, and right now I'd like to share with you a legend of the island. It's called the Legend of Hopoi. Hopoi, dearest friend to Hi'iaka, sister of the goddess of fire, Pele. Such was the lament of Hi'iaka as she stood at the ridge of Puhakea on Oahu, looking towards her home on Hawaii, and seeing her beloved Lehua groves in flames, and her dear friend Hopoi engulfed in burning lava. The jealousy of her dearest sister Pele, the goddess of fire, had issued forth without so much as an explanation as to the cause of Hi'iaka's delay in bringing the handsome Lohiau to her from Kauai. After all, Hi'iaka had kept her promise not to engage in any romantic exchanges on the journey. Yes, it did take longer than the 40 days Pele had given her to make this journey. But if dear sister Pele had only given her a chance to tell of the many obstacles she had to overcome along the way, Pele would have understood. But now, her Lehua groves and her beloved friend Hopoi, whose care she entrusted to her sister in return for making this journey, was now Pele's latest victims. As she cried then, her cry is being heard even to this very day for her people to care for each other, care for the land, and care for the promises we give. Hei no no Hi'iaka I ka poli o Pele. Kai ko o ki lawe kai ko puna popo I ke a Pele ke kai ula ke kai o lana ke ala kai o Pele ho 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 tears. 'Cause
Move it. Cool it. Silver bullet. Rock it. Smooth it. Silver bullet. Play it. Pull it. Take it. Taste it. Live it. Love it. Say it. Play it. Take it. Pull it. Silver bullet. It's the right beer now. Grab it while you can. Silver bullet. Yeah, the right beer now.
The new home of Hawaii's music is KINE, Hawaiian Kind 105. KINE, the radio station playing Hawaii's favorite music at 105.1 FM. E ho'olohe ana mai. Listen to the music of Hawaii. KINE, Hawaiian Kind.
If you do one thing, do it right. In the middle of the day or late at night, don't even try it if you can't come through. You say you want chicken? Well, that's what we do.
Okay, class, this is a drumstick, and this is a thigh. Multiply them both by 6, and what's that equal? 12 pieces of original recipe drums and thighs for just $8.99 at KFC Hawaii now.
We are KFC. We do chicken right.
Oh, yes, yes. Thank you for joining us here at Hot Hawaiian Nights. We certainly hope you had a good time. Thank you for letting us come into your homes. I'm very blessed with being surrounded by very talented people, among them my manager, Miss Janice Ukoka. Thank you so much for all your hard work. I also want to thank my talented musicians. This is Brother Gabe. And Lee Miller. Great big hand for Miss P. Lunny Smith for dancing with us today. Come and join me, P. All right. And to you, my people, thank you for all the blessings you've given me throughout the years, singing for you. I'm still singing. I'm going down singing. I have been blessed with another day, and I have been given another chance to say how much I love you, babe. I really love you, babe. You are the choice of my heart. Where shall I start to make this day? There is no way I will waste this day. There is so much to say and do, so much to love in you. Yes, let it begin. And I will sing to the skies, and they'll tell your stories. I will sing to the seas, and they'll seek your glories, and both from shore to shore. How I adore you, my very special friend. I have been blessed with another day, and I have been given another chance to say thank you, babe. I really thank you, babe, 'cause I've been blessed with another day. I've been so blessed with all these lovely people who I call my family. Come on, join me, baby. Kahale. And our Robin Wayne in the back there. Come be with Auntie, please. This is the future of the islands. And every day we have an opportunity to say thank you. So let me take this time and boast from shore to shore how I adore you. Come, Mama, my very special friend. I have been blessed with another day, and I have been given another chance to say thank you, babe. I really thank you, babe, 'cause I've been blessed with another day. These are my blessings. You make me feel so good inside. That's it. Janice Ashley Kule Aloha Ukamko Kupo. This is Kahale. This is Brother Gabe's baby boy. And this is ours, Robin Wayne. Thank you. Good night. God bless. I feel so blessed. So blessed. Baby, 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 baby.
Hot Hawaiian Nights has been brought to you by KFC Hawaii, a family favorite throughout Hawaii. The House of Music, over 40 years of experience as the #1 showcase for the music of Hawaii. Coors Light the Silver Bullet, it's the right beer now. And Robert's Overnighters, offering air room car packages from $99.50 per person.
Some people wait all year just for this sale.